Hey tech enthusiasts, welcome back to channel, your go-to source for the latest and greatest in the world of technology. Today, we're diving headfirst into the future as we unveil the best 360 cameras of 2024. Whether you're a content creator, a VR enthusiast, or just someone fascinated by cutting-edge tech, you won't want to miss this. Number 5. GoPro Max. The GoPro Max is a multi-purpose 360-degree camera that allows users to capture immersive spherical content. It has dual fisheye lenses that allow you to take 360-degree photographs and videos with a maximum quality of up to 5.6K. One of the GoPro Max's main features is its ability to record both standard hero-style wide-angle pictures and 360-degree film, giving users a wide range of creative options. The GoPro Max has built-in stabilization technology called Max HyperSmooth, which helps to achieve smooth and steady footage even in difficult settings. The camera also has advanced audio capabilities, allowing it to capture high-quality sound in addition to visual material. Furthermore, the camera is built to be tough and waterproof, assuring its resilience in a variety of conditions. The GoPro Max has a touchscreen display for ease control and previewing of photos, and it is compatible with the GoPro app, allowing users to effortlessly edit and share their material. The camera is frequently commended for its simple user interface and ability to shoot excellent 360-degree content without the need for complicated post-processing. The GoPro Max includes the GoPro app, which allows users to effortlessly edit and share 360-degree video. The software includes capabilities such as reframing, which allows users to select particular parts of 360-degree footage to produce regular videos, allowing for a high amount of post-production flexibility. Time Warp, GoPro's time-lapse feature, is included in both standard and 360 modes on the camera. This tool is known for producing dynamic and stabilized time-lapse videos, which give an additional layer of creativity to the user's content. The Power Pano mode enables users to take panoramic images without the distortion that is prevalent with wide-angle lenses. It combines many pictures to produce a continuous, distortion-free panoramic image. Number 4. Insta360X3. The Insta360X3, a cutting-edge 360-degree camera that redefines immersive content creation, is now available. Building on the success of its predecessors, the Insta360X3 offers cutting-edge features and technology for unrivaled performance. The Insta360X3 features powerful imaging sensors that push the limits of resolution to capture every detail in spectacular clarity. Say goodbye to choppy video. The S3 includes next-generation stabilization technology, which ensures smooth and professional-looking films even in dynamic conditions. The camera intelligently recognizes and tracks targets thanks to embedded artificial intelligence, enabling effortless control and unprecedented convenience in shooting the perfect photo. The Insta360X3's sleek and compact design makes it easy to transport and use. A user-friendly interface combined with straightforward controls ensures that both novice and experienced designers may easily unleash their creativity. Whether you want to capture magnificent vistas, dynamic action scenarios, or immersive VR content, the X3 has a shooting mode for you. Share your content instantaneously with the world. The Insta360X3 integrates seamlessly with smartphones and social media platforms, allowing you to quickly and easily share your 360-degree masterpieces. The X3 is designed to resist the rigors of outdoor excursions, ensuring that you can capture the moment no matter where your creativity takes you. The Insta360X3 takes image capabilities to new heights, delivering not only high resolution, but also bright colors and superb low-light performance. Whether you're shooting in broad daylight or discovering the beauty of the night, capture lifelike photographs and videos with exceptional clarity. With the Insta360X3's seamless live streaming features, you can take your audience on a live 360-degree trip. The camera's superior technology offers a smooth and entertaining live stream experience, whether you're sharing a unique event or communicating with your followers in real time. Immersive 3D audio captured by the Insta360X3 will elevate your work. The powerful audio technology of the camera ensures that viewers not only see, but also hear the full richness of the surroundings, bringing an additional element of realism to your 360-degree experiences. Unleash your imagination with a variety of modular accessories created specifically for the Insta360X3. Number 3. Insta360ONE RS. If the Insta360ONE RS evolves in the same way as its predecessors, it might be a cutting-edge 360-degree camera built for immersive multimedia creation. A camera that records high-resolution 360-degree photographs and movies is expected, allowing users to produce detailed and immersive content. That RS designation may indicate in modular design, allowing users to update or customize specific camera components for improved functionality or performance. For 360-degree material, smooth and stable filming is essential. The camera may include powerful stabilization technologies to enable steady shots even in high-motion situations. Improved sensors and image processing capabilities could lead to better low-light performance, allowing users to capture appealing footage in a variety of lighting circumstances. The Insta360 ONE RS could include simple software for content editing and sharing, automatic stitching, simple exporting to popular platforms, and compatibility with virtual reality. VR headsets might all be emphasized. Given the growing popularity of live streaming, the camera may include built-in facilities for immediately broadcasting 360-degree content to sites such as YouTube or Facebook. A sturdy design with water-resistant characteristics might be implemented, allowing users to take the camera on trips and shoot material in difficult conditions. A crucial feature might be tight interaction with cell phones for simple control, previewing, and sharing of information. Number 2. Ricoh Theta X. The Ricoh Theta X, the peak of 360-degree camera technology in 2024, captures your reality in amazing detail. This innovative device combines high-resolution images with advanced capabilities to completely transform your panoramic photography and videography excursions. The Ricoh Theta X features an improved sensor and lens system that produces unmatched image clarity and rich colors, ensuring that your 360 material shines out. Stitch images together seamlessly for a smooth and immersive viewing experience. The sophisticated algorithms of the Theta X reduce distortion, resulting in a genuine and lifelike picture of your environment. Capture your memories in 4K resolution to ensure that your 360 movies are as detailed and crisp as your images. Relive your memories with unrivaled realism. The Theta X excels in low-light circumstances, ensuring that your 360 material remains vivid and crisp even in challenging environments, whether you're exploring the great outdoors or recording nighttime scenes. The revamped user interface provides a smooth experience, allowing both novice and experienced photographers to easily manage settings. The Theta X is built for ease of use without sacrificing extensive customization. Enjoy long shooting sessions without concern. The Theta X has an optimized battery to ensure that you record every moment without interruption. The Ricoh Theta X's elegant and compact form makes it the ideal partner for mobile creatives. It is built to last and can handle the rigors of your adventurous lifestyle. With built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity, you can quickly share your 360-degree experiences. The Theta X connects to your smartphone wirelessly for easy sharing and remote control. The Theta X features powerful gyroscopic stabilization technology, which ensures that your 360 photographs and videos remain stable even in dynamic or unstable scenes. This function improves the overall quality of your work by giving it a professional appearance. With built-in artificial intelligence that intelligently recognizes critical moments in your footage, you can streamline your post-production workflow. The Theta X can build highlight reels and suggest adjustments automatically, allowing users to share polished content without requiring considerable editing abilities. Live streaming your 360 experiences allows you to interact with your audience in real time. Whether you're sharing a live event or a spontaneous excursion, the Theta X allows you to broadcast directly to popular platforms, offering your audience with an immersive viewing experience. Take the Theta X wherever your activities take you because it is water and dust resistant. This feature ensures that the camera can survive the environment, allowing you to freely explore and film your adventures. With configurable shooting modes, you can tailor your 360 material to diverse settings. The Ricoh Theta X includes a number of presets that allow you to optimize settings for a variety of locations, ranging from bright vistas to intimate indoor areas. The Theta X's expanded internal storage capacity allows you to capture more moments before needing to discharge your content. The increased storage capacity is extremely useful. The Ricoh Theta X works smoothly with a robust app environment, which provides extra capabilities, settings, and creative tools. The dedicated app improves the user experience by serving as a single point of contact for content management, remote control, and social sharing. Enhance the immersive experience by recording spatial audio in addition to your 360 pictures. The sophisticated microphones on the Theta X record high-quality 3D audio, enhancing the overall sensation of presence in your content. Number 1. Ricoh Theta Z1. In the 360 camera market, the Ricoh Theta Z1 is noted for its high-quality imagery and innovative technologies. The Ricoh Theta Z1 is a high-end 360-degree camera aimed at both hobbyists and pros. It has a complex design and dual 1-inch sensors, which are rarely encountered in other 360 cameras. This sensor configuration enables the Z1 to take high-resolution still photos and 4K films with exceptional clarity. One of its distinguishing qualities is its excellent low-light performance, which makes it suited for a wide range of shooting situations. The camera also has powerful manual controls, which allow users to fine-tune settings like aperture, shutter speed, and ISO for a more personalized shooting experience. Furthermore, the Ricoh Theta Z1 enables RAW file capture, giving photographers more versatility in post-processing. Guys, that concludes our top 5 best 360 cameras of 2024 list. All product links are in the description, which is updated with the lowest prices. Subscribe to our channel for more videos. Until then, we'll see you in the next video.